Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. So today I'm going to show you how to add a person in Notion. So in Notion you can add a person or mention in various ways depending on the context you're working in. So if you want to mention someone in Notion, simply go to the page and type here with @ and you will find out the person that are include in your workspace, and if you don't find them you just need to simply invite the people in your workspace. So that's the one way how you can add person in your workspace. And the another one is if you're using a database and you want to assigning a talks to the person, you just need to go to the database, and in here you need to create new properties. As you can see, I have already created these properties, so I'm going to show you these options again. You just need to go to these three dot options and select the option properties and go to this new property option, and from here you just need to select the option person, and in here whenever you can search for a person, or if you simply give this address option, all the people in your workspace will shown in here, and you can also mention them by these options. And the last options is you can always share the page or database with people. If you simply tap on this share option, and in here you can see this, I can share with people by their email or group, and if or you can also copy the link and give the people in this space, or you can also publish your page. So basically that's also the way manual way how you can add a person in your Notion pages or in the database. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.